Using the thinking framework across the curriculum. The thinking framework is designed to work across every subject and age group. Because it focuses on how learners think, not just what they're learning, it can be applied in any curriculum or context. The key is consistency, giving students repeated exposure to the same thinking skills, but in a variety of settings. For example, the verb sequence might be used to order historical events, steps in a scientific method, or key points in a written argument. The content changes, but the thinking action remains the same. This helps learners build confidence and recognize patterns in how they process information. One effective strategy is to embed the language of the framework into your classroom routines. You might refer to the thinking verbs during explanations. Today we're going to compare these two examples. Or, you'll be asked to connect this idea with something we covered earlier. Visual cues also help. Teachers often create wall displays with the verbs and their colours, or use desk mats and posters to keep the language visible. Some classrooms use stickers, flashcards, or even icons in slide decks and worksheets to show which thinking skill is being used in a task. These prompts make the framework part of the environment, something familiar that learners can draw on across subjects. When a whole team of educators uses the same language to plan and deliver learning, it creates a consistent experience for students. They begin to understand that thinking skills are not isolated. They're the bridge that links different subjects together. In other videos, we explore how this framework supports planning, modelling, questioning, and learner independence.